Hey guys, raise your hand if you've ever pulled an all-nighter just to finish an essay, crammed for exams, or Googled how to write a research paper in 2 hours. Yeah, we've all been there. But guess what? AI is about to become your new best friend. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 free AI tools that'll save your grades, your sanity, and your social life in 2025. Let's dive in. First up, ChatGPT 4.0. This isn't just for memes, guys. Stuck on your essay intro? Paste your prompt, and boom, it'll spit out thesis statements, outlines, even counter-arguments. Pro tip, use it to brainstorm unique angles your professor hasn't seen 100 times. Just don't copy-paste, AI detectors are watching. Next, illicit.org. Imagine a robot that reads 1,000 research papers and summarizes the key points for you. This tool uses AI to find peer-reviewed sources, extract data, and even answer questions. Perfect for when your professor demands 10 scholarly references by tomorrow. Number 3, Quillbot, a paraphrasing pro. Meet Quillbot. You know that awkward moment when your essay sounds like a Wikipedia ripoff? Paste your text here, and it'll rephrase sentences smarter than a thesaurus. Free version works for short chunks, ideal for fixing plagiarism flags without losing your original vibe. Number 4, Socratic by Google Homework Lifesaver. For STEM warriors, Socratic by Google is a game changer. Snap a pic of your calculus problem, and it'll break down the steps like a patient tutor. Even explains chemistry equations and history timelines. Basically, it's clippy, but actually helpful. Number 5, Consensus Fact-Checking Sidekick. Finally, Consensus. Need stats for your argumentative essay? This AI scans 200-meter studies to give you evidence-based answers. Perfect for shutting down your roommates' trust me bro theories with cold, hard science.